Hi, this is Mrs. Slater, and today the first question for you is how far do you think the planet Pluto is from the sun? And we're talking miles here. You do not have to write any of this down right now, other than just a little piece of paper to write down your guess. Okay, your hint, Earth is about 93 million miles from the sun, and Pluto is about 39 times as far from the sun as the Earth is. So you want to change your guess from the first slide? All right, here's the answer. So if you guessed 3,647,000,000,000 miles from the sun, you were correct. Scientists study these big numbers all the time. They don't like to write big numbers either. Imagine how easy it would be to make a mistake. So they use scientific notation. Okay, so now we're at the point where I want you to write this down. So scientific notation is a shorter way to write a big number. So push pause at any time in between just to make sure you write it down. A is going to be a number between 1 and 10, and the n is the exponent that tells you how many places you have moved the decimal. So again, push pause and write that down. Okay, also write everything on this page. Writing each number using scientific notation. So here is how many miles from Pluto to the sun. Right now the decimal is here. Even though you don't see it, there is a decimal. Okay, so we're going to move the decimal to form a number between 1 and 10. So you can see the wave. It moved all the way over, so it ended up moving 9 places to the left. Okay, so it forms the number 3.647 because the zeros are irrelevant at this point. And that number is also between 1 and 10, so that is a good thing. So let's click. Okay, so because you've moved 9 places, you can see the 9 shows up as the exponent, and this number always has to be between 1 and 10. Okay, now it's your turn. I want you to practice write using scientific notation for this number. Push pause and try it. Okay, so hopefully you move 13 places to the left to get 5.6, and your final answer, 5.6 times 10 to the 13th. The next one, try that one. Go ahead and push pause. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It is moving 12 places to the left. And our new number is 2.305. The rest of the zeros are insignificant. And the answer you should have gotten, 2.305 times 10 to the 12th. Okay, scientists also use scientific notation. You do not have to write all of this. Scientists always use scientific notation for really, really small numbers. Still need to move the decimal to form a number between 1 and 10, and then write the rest of the page down now. So, write this in scientific notation. So you can see what they've done here. We're moving now to the right, and you can count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 moves to get that number between 1 and 10. So it's 6 places to the right for an answer of 1.7 times 10 to the negative 6. Okay, also write this down. Exponent is negative when the decimal moves to the right, or the original number is smaller. Okay, go ahead and try this one, and push pause. And now that you're back, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 places to the right. That's going to help us with our exponent, and it should be 5.02. So let's click to reveal. And if you have 5.02 times 10 to the negative 7, you are correct. Notice the negative on the exponent. Okay, now let's do it in reverse, also writing this down. Write this in standard form, so because the positive exponent will make the number get bigger, 3.78 times 10 to the 6th is going to move the decimal place over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where did the, whoa, it's gone. So 6 times it moved over to the right, and it gives you the number in standard form. There, so you can see it better with commas and everything. Okay, the next part, see how you can write this one in standard form. The number will get smaller, so keep that in mind when you are doing this problem. And moving 7 places to the left, we already have 1, and now 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's how I know where it ends. So that's going to be the answer that will be revealed. All those zeros, and then 1. There is no decimal here anymore between the 1 and the 0, and then 654. Okay, this concludes this lesson, and we'll see you tomorrow.